Hey super brides and super grooms, and a warm welcome to YWA. Firstly, a huge congratulations on your engagement. Cheers to you both and your beautiful future together. Now for the fun part, wedding planning. Yay! Before we begin on your wedding planning journey, we're going to start at the heart of what this wedding is all about, you. I truly believe that no matter how many weddings you've attended, how many you've taken part in as a close family or friend, or how many you've heard about, you will gain something from this course. Together, we'll plan your wedding, ensuring that it isn't anything like what you or your loved ones have seen before, because you are not just any couple, you are YWA superstars, and your wedding should be a true reflection of you both, individually and as a couple. So thank you for choosing your wedding architect, where we help you to design a wedding as unique as you. During the wedding planning journey, I believe that it's essential to keep you both at the center of each decision that you make in order to make planning, the ceremonies, and the big day as meaningful and memorable as possible for both you and your guests. Now, one big piece of advice that I was given during my planning process was to start by creating a dream wedding list. And that's where I began. In all honesty, it was a great piece of advice and it helped me to establish what was most important to me. But at the end of my big day, when I looked back on my process, I realized that there were two additional things that could have eased us into the planning process to keep what was most important to us at the forefront when things got crazy later on. So we'll have a closer look at these together, starting with the big picture.